Welcome to the Clayton Isabella with upgraded stainless steel appliances, a beautiful large kitchen island, perfect for prepping your family home meals, dining room area, as well as an extended flex area for your choosing of sleep, play, or both. Tape and textured walls in every single room of the home. Also, vents in the ceiling too. Double vanity sink, extra storage space with cabinets inside the vanity as well. Coming in to the beautiful standalone soak tub. Oh my gosh, I'm 6'2" and I fit perfect in here. So you will too?